Hello and welcome to Willswheels 10-minute tea break, or perhaps in this instance maybe something more fitting, like a decaf soya latte, frappuccino, mochaccino, that sort of thing. Today we're spending some time in a BMW E38 long wheelbase from 1999. I'm resting my frappuccino on a solid wood fold down table in the back of the seat. One here for the co-passenger of your choice. You've got the blinds here so that no one's going to disturb you. You've got more wood up here, this lovely little handle, as do all the other passengers in the car. There's lovely wood details just here in the back of the seats. Just to show that you're in an elegant car. This is not a car for the average motorist. This is a car that's been specified to be above and beyond. And I just thought I would take a moment to show you around it. But first, take a look at what some of the staff have been doing this week. So, should you feel like you need to go out for the evening, as you may do, to say a ball, say to a poker game, who knows, you have a little mirror to just make sure that you're looking your sharpest, which of course I am, and relax on the way there. And obviously if you don't want people to see what's going on with you, just mask it out, I'll just take a wee second here to phone my buddies and make sure that we're all hitting the club tonight, as you do. And of course I'm being completely silly because I don't have any friends, so I'll just put that back. What I'll actually do is do a little bit of work, because obviously I don't have a social life. So what I do have, though, as you can see, is a factory fitted clipboard that lives on the back of these gorgeous sports contour seats, with a little pen holder, which is just right for my circa 2001 writing biro. So as I take care of a few things here, you can take a look at what else is going on in the workshop. Okay, so that's the Power Flex order done. I think a little bit of music might be nice. Let's see, what shall we listen to? We have our controls here. Classic, of course. And of course, the controls for the radio are in the back and in the front. And it's really far distance to reach over and put this clipboard. I'll just turn that down. Clipboard's just a little bit far away, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring that seat back a little bit closer so that I don't have to stretch as far, because you know, when you're wearing a £300 fitted shirt, you don't want to have to stretch too far, you know? And gently slots back into place. Now, there's not much left to do. I could send a fax to someone if anyone still had a fax machine, but unfortunately those no longer exist. If I smoked, I could have a cigar. If I wanted to watch something on TV, I could. The screen is right there. I just need to have my driver stop and put something nice on. And most importantly of all, and this is probably a word for the oil producing nations of our fine world, maybe something for our governments to consider, and it would be this: you didn't stop adding so much flipping tax onto petrol, and let us actually afford the stuff, then rather than sit here in this yard, I could actually take this car out for a spin. But as it so happens, I can't afford the petrol that it would take to take a test drive in this lovely 740 IL with its sand beige extended leather interior, with its tea tables and its trays, and it's, I mean, it has a writing board. It has controls in the back for the front seats. I mean, it's an absolutely wonderful car, and it's too expensive to go anywhere. So thanks, government. And we're going to have to draw it to a close there, and I'm just going to have to pretend as though I'm some kind of senior executive, because obviously I'm stuck at the bottom and have to graft my way up forever. So on that cheery note, it's time to end, and I'm so glad that you watched, and I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the inside of a long wheelbase 7 Series. I hope that you too can one day dream of affording petrol again.